A very good evening to everyone. So today was the 39th day of my systems trading challenge that I had been, doing it on YouTube. Now, there are some things which happened horribly wrong today. Actually, my broker, that is Finvesia or Shunya, it got broke down in this particular candle. Okay, and only by this candle I was starting to, become directional. And the real directional move came after hitting all my call stop losses in these candles. It came actually after this. So what happened is we opened absolutely flat, okay, and then we stayed in a range of 0.1% up and 0.1% down. And till the time I booked exactly here, so it was only 94 points. That is, Finnifty moved only 94 points, hitting all kinds of my call stop losses because call prices were actually spiking very bad in these, especially in this candle, okay, and in this candle. So call spiked like crazy, and by this candle ended, my I had to book here. So. Uh, Somewhere in the middle of this candle, my stop losses were actually all the stop losses of call started to get hit, but my put were not giving much decay because there was a spike in premium with the up move. All right, so I ended up with a profit of just 150 rupee. That is even less than the 800 rupees that I'm going to pay. Sorry, the 600 rupees that I'm going to pay for the brokerages. Uh, and also one more thing, it's like 40 days is about to get over now. I'm just thinking of wrap it up in like 50 days because it's quite it is like quite heavy on my mind that I have to make a video in the end of day, and I don't have so much free time to make some things like this. But just rest assured that I will be coming up with very helpful things that can help you in systematic trading, uh, just like my previous videos. Okay, so what I will try to do is I will try to make more those type of videos than these type of daily analysis, which is actually useless. It was only done to satisfy my ego. Now it is satisfied because I have not broken the rule for the past 40 days. Okay, the only 2 days that the problem came was the broker issue. Like broker only like gave up. Okay, so yeah, if this glitch was not did not happen, okay, if it not had happened, or only my calls would have stayed till the end, okay, and like here some straddles would have been there. So according to the backtest, I would have been like 0.8% up. So, but it's my bad luck that I could not get that money because the broker was down today. So yeah, so I'll see you all guys on Monday. So until then, take care. Bye bye.